Good morning, students. Now, the next question is again from 2018 EC paper. For the circuit given in figure, the magnitude of the loop current I 0.5 second after closing the switch is dash. That means switch is closed at t equals 0. Now, this is from RL transients. So, DC transients. Students must know DC transients in RL circuit. I will remind the students about transients in RL circuit during switching. During switching, if R is the resistance, L is the inductor, and if the switch is closed at t equals 0 and if V is the voltage, what happens? Current rises from 0 to a value equal to V by R. Because inductor is not going to decide current. Current is decided by R. So it takes theoretically infinite time to grow from 0 to V by R. So ultimately V by R is the current, V divided by R. This equation you have to very well remember. This equation is V by R into 1 minus e power R by L t. V by R 1 minus e power minus R by L t amperes. This is the expression you have to very well remember. Now we have to modify to this circuit. R means resistance in the circuit. If this equation is interpreted here, it becomes IT is equal to, it is 1 volt. 1 volt divided by R equivalent. V divided by R equivalent 1 minus e power minus R equivalent by L into T. So we have to modify R by R equivalent. Because here 1 ohm is in series with 1 ohm, 2 ohms. Therefore, the equation is V is 1 volt. V is 1 volt. Therefore, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 minus e power minus R by L t. R equivalent is 2 by L. L is 1 Henry. 2. So, current equation is half 1 minus e power minus 2t. R 0.5 1 minus e power minus 2t. Now current has to grow to 0.5 amperes. Now we are finding what is the current at the end of 0.5 seconds. 0.5 second. Substitute t equal to 0.5 second. We get 0.5 into 1 minus e power minus 2 into 0.5. That is 0.5 into 1 minus e power minus 1. Now 0.5 into 1 by e. That is 0.5 into 1 minus 1 by e. If you calculate, it comes around 0.284 amperes. So at the end of 0.5 seconds, current rises to 0.284 amperes. So answer here is 0.284 amperes. So this is how you have to work out this problem. Thank you.